More and more designers are using 3D printer to verify their design's form, fit, and function. It's particularly important to users that a 3D printer is easy to use, can print wide variety of high-temperature filament, and can print large and complex high-quality jobs in one go. After years of development and experience of building 3D printers, we are proud to announce our two new iBridger FDM industrial-grade printers, model i330 and i340. i340 is taller with metal shell. i330 adapt compact design with plastic shell. The two models feature the same build volume of 17-inch by 17.5 inch by 23 inch.
I like the transparent design very much. It's very convenient to observe the working status. iBridger 3D printer is very easy to use. Via the 10.1 touch screen, I can get various technical parameters to control the machine. I like the feature of three-dimensional dynamic preview also. It's great. Remote camera makes the whole printing process very easy to monitor, even if I leave the site. I can also view the real-time printing status through mobile phone or computer. Meanwhile, I can also remote control the printer and start new jobs. I often slice models when I'm at home, transmit the files to printer in my office to start print. Then the only thing I need to do is to take out the finished models when I'm back to the office. It's very convenient and saves much of the time.
iBridger 3D printer is built with aluminum alloy frame and 100 CNC machine components to ensure high precision and stable operation. Both models come with removable electric magnetic locking build plate, which is a spring metal sheet covered with plastic film. It features better bottom layer adhesion and easier 3D print removal. All iBridger 3D printers are pre-aligned at the factory, so you don't need to level again and just print. With dual extruders, iBridger 3D printer can tackle complex models with dissolvable support. When two extruders alternate working, iBridger 3D printer will automatically clean nozzles. And the idle nozzle will be lifted 5 mm up to avoid scratch or contamination to the print.
I like iBridger 3D printer configure two filaments bin for each extruder. I often need to print some large models. It usually takes 2 to 3 reels filament or even more. During printing, I can fill up 2 bins. Once one bin runs out, iBridger 3D printer will change to the second bin automatically. I only need to take out the empty reel and reload it on the second day. This will ensure my print will be continued without interruption until completion. Another point I want to highlight is that iBridger 3D printer configures auto dehumidifier for the full and closed filament bin to control the humidity below 20% RH, which ensures some moisture-sensitive filaments used under dry conditions all the time.
I often need to print different materials to test whether my design can work as expected. iBridger 3D printer hot and can heat up to 410 degrees Celsius, and its thermostatic chamber can control printing environment at 90 degrees Celsius. This allows me to try a variety of materials like ABS, PC, PA, PP, PET, carbon fiber filled or glass fiber filled materials, and PIC, etc. And better than other printers I used, iBridger 3D printer can set chamber cooling curve to control the print's annealing. In addition, for support extruder, I can set idle time to after turn of nozzle heating to prevent overheating of support material, and I can even set different feed rate and flow rate at the layer next to the model material to get better adhesion. All these features help to get successful print of some special material and complex models.
We believe the excellent configuration of iBridger 3D printer can better satisfy your requirements on form, fit, and function. We look forward to your backing and support to make this project happen. With your help, we'll develop more and more better 3D printers. Thank you.